In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen here in Canva. Now, this is going to work with videos which you upload yourself and or videos which are already here in Canva. Now, please be aware as well that what we're going to use is a Canva Pro feature. But once you have your video with the green screen, we simply want to click onto that video and then we can click on Background Remover just here. Now we can tell this is a Canva Pro feature because it has that little crown. But now if we click on there, it's going to delete the background just like that, removing the green screen. And then you can go ahead and create your videos however you please. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to remove green screen here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.